excited to be recruiting again for the ABMS Visiting Scholars Program. This is a one-year small grant program where you have the opportunity to move your research forward to advance our understanding of certification, either initial or continuing certification, diagnostic excellence in certification, or even on competency-based medical education. By connecting with ABMS, you get to learn about the certification process and have opportunities to sit on committees at ABMS that advance certification and advance your understanding of certification.